Hello, WallpaperLand family. Creating a romantic atmosphere in your bedroom can transform it into a serene and intimate retreat. Today, we're going to guide you through choosing the perfect romantic wallpaper for your bedroom in just 5 easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right color palette. The first step is to choose the right color palette. Soft, muted tones, such as blush pink, lavender, and creamy whites, are ideal for creating a romantic ambiance. These colors evoke a sense of calm and intimacy. If you prefer a more dramatic look, consider deep reds and purples, which can add a touch of passion and luxury. Step 2. Select a romantic pattern. Next, select a romantic pattern. Floral designs are a timeless choice, bringing a touch of nature and elegance into the room. Delicate, intricate patterns like lace or damask can create a sophisticated and romantic look. For a more contemporary feel. Step 3. Focus on texture. Texture is crucial in enhancing the romantic feel of your wallpaper. Textured wallpapers, such as those with a velvet or silk finish, add depth and richness to your bedroom. These materials look luxurious and feel pleasant to the touch. Step 4. Consider lighting. Lighting plays a significant role in how your wallpaper looks. Soft, ambient lighting enhances the romantic feel. Consider how natural and artificial light interacts with your wallpaper. Wallpapers with a slight sheen can reflect light beautifully, creating a warm and inviting glow. Step 5. Personalize your space. Add personal touches, such as framed photographs, artwork, and decorative items that resonate with your romantic theme. And there you have it. A complete guide to choosing romantic wallpaper for your bedroom in 5 easy steps. With the right color palette, pattern, texture, and personal touches, you can create a beautiful and intimate retreat. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips and inspiration from WallpaperLand. See you next time. Thank you for watching.